Okay. So yesterday we have completed the direction cosines and the direction ratio. Just write two note. Okay. Let R is equal to AI cap plus BJ cap plus CK cap. Okay. Let R is equal to this. Then then its direction cosine. Okay. You already know what is direction cosine. Then its direction cosine are this one. L is equal to take A by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, the same formula which we have done yesterday for the direction ratios. Okay, actually these are the direction ratios. Okay, so this will M become B by under root of B by under root A square plus B square plus C square. N is equal to C by under root A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, and and direction ratios of this are proportional to are proportional to are proportional to A, B, and C. Okay, so whenever you have a vector and we need the direction ratios, then we will use this A, B, and C. Okay, so you know that if A is the direction ratio, then what will be the direction cosine? We have done this formula yesterday only. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. If a vector is given, you need to find the direction cosine. Use this. Yes, we have already done. Okay, so this is the first point. Second point is what is LMN? First, what is LMN? First, what is here LMNN? What is it?
Direction cosines.
Direction cosine. Very good. So with the help of direction cosine, if you will form a vector, then always remember that vector will be a unit vector. If with the help of direction cosine, you are you are forming a vector, then this vector will always be a unit vector. So we can say that R cap is equal to Li cap plus Mg cap plus Nk cap. This is the unit vector. Okay, and element are direction cosine. With the help of direction cosine, if you will form a vector, that will always be a unit vector. Why? You know that this is element. Okay, so we are finding Li cap, Mj cap, Nk cap means Ai cap, Bj cap, Ck cap. Okay, now if you will find the magnitude of this, A by this is plus B by this plus C by this, if you will find out the magnitude, this will give you 1. Okay, if you will do the square of this, A square this, B square this, C square this will get cancelled out. So you will get a 1. So always remember, if with the help of the direction cosine, you will form a vector, that vector will always be a unit vector. Please remember this. Okay. Please note down this, raise your hand, then we will start the next topic. Okay, please raise your hands once it is done. Yes, I will again explain this to you. Okay, Abdur, you're 10 minutes late. Please join at the correct time. We have to complete the syllabus. Okay. Normally, we waste 15 minutes daily. Okay. Uh, please check here, Abdur. Suppose R is a vector, this one, AI cap, BJ cap, CK cap, then its direction cosine R. If a vector is given, you need to find the direction cosine, then same formula which we have done yesterday. A by, use this A by under root of this, A square, B square, C square. M is equal to B by under root A square, B square, C square. N is equal to C by this. So if this is a vector R, then we will say that its direction cosine are proportional to A, B, C. Okay, its direction ratios are proportional to A, B, C. Always remember this. Second, I have given here that with the help of direction cosine, if we will form a vector, then that vector will always be a unit vector. Okay, R, these L, M, N are the direction cosine. With the help of this, I have formed this vector R cap. So this will always be a unit vector. Why? Check here. R cap is equal to, put this value, A by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, proof. I cap plus BJ cap by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. CK cap by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, now what the magnitude of R cap is? Under root of this square, A square, and this will become A square plus B square plus C square plus B square by A square plus B square plus C square plus C by A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, now the LCM will be same. In the numerator also you will get A square, B square, C square. So this will be A square plus B square plus C square by A square plus B square plus C square. So cancel out these two. You will get under root 1, which is equal to 1. Is it clear? First, is it clear? The second one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abdur, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Rifat, is it clear? Okay, Rifat. So all of you, please note down this. Raise your hands once it is done. Then we will start the next topic. Okay. Is it done? Abdur, Fahad, Rifat, shall we start next? Okay, Fahad. Abdur and Rifat, is it done? Okay, Abdur. Okay, Rifat. Very good. Now next one. We will start the next topic. Okay. Next is equation of line in space. Okay, equation of line in space. In last year also, you have last year you have done equation of line in 2D. Okay, but in that topic you have find out the equation only in Cartesian form. Okay, so for equation we have two form. First is vector form, second is Cartesian form. Okay, so till class 11 you have just find out the Cartesian form. Okay, who can tell me what's the equation of a line which is passing through a point x1 comma y1 and having the slope m? What is the equation of a line which is passing through this point and having the slope m? Anyone? Last year in coordinate geometry you have done this. Y is equal to mx plus c. This is the formula we use when we have a slope and intercept. Okay, when I when a line is passing through a point and having the slope, then we have this equation: y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Okay, so these are the point x1, y1 is the point, m is the slope. What is xy? In Cartesian form, we always write xy. Okay, so for example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So this is the equation of a line. So in Cartesian form, we always have xy. Similarly, in vector form, in place of x and y, we have a vector r, which is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, understood? In Cartesian form, you have a xy. Similarly, in vector form, in place of xy, you have a vector r, which is nothing, which is xi cap, yj cap, zk cap. So in place of r, when you will put this value, then this can be converted into Cartesian form into this form. Okay, so please don't get confused that what is r. Whenever we will find the equation of line in a space in vector form, we will always use r. R is what? Xi cap, yj cap, zk cap. Okay, so let me start this one. Okay, now the type 1 is equation of line, equation of line passing through a point, passing through a point, passing through a point, and passing through a point and parallel to a vector, and parallel to a vector. Okay, so we have two types in equation of line. First is this, after this we will do the second one. Okay, so suppose this is x, this is y, and this is it. Okay, you have this line, it is passing through a point which have the position vector. Okay, this your line is passing through a point A, and this point A have the position vector A. Okay, so your line is passing through this point, and this have the position vector A. So you all know what is the position vector. Okay, so here, what is a position vector? Position vector of a point. Position vector of a point through which, through which, through which line is passing. Through which line is passing. Okay, what is a? It is a position vector of a point through which line is passing. Okay, now this your line is parallel to a vector. So we have this vector. Your line is parallel to this vector B. This is your line. It is passing through point A and it is parallel to vector B. Okay. Now, what is a vector B? Please see this carefully. What is this? This is a vector through which, sorry, vector parallel to the required line, to the wire to the required line. Okay. Now we will take any arbitrary point R here. Okay. And its position vector is R. This is the same one, xi cap, yj cap, zk cap. This is R. Okay. Now, Fahd, if we need to find AR, can you tell me what will be the formula? In vector, we have already done this. What is AR? Position vector of? Position vector of?
Position vector of R minus position vector of A.
Very good. Minus position vector of A. Vector of A. Okay. So this means AR is what? R minus A. R minus A. Now, can we say that AR is parallel to B? Abdur, can we say that AR is parallel to B? Yes. Okay. So Abdur, hope you remember when we were doing the collinearity of point, I have given one result. If two vectors are collinear, suppose we have two vectors A and B, these two are collinear, then what's the relation between these two? This is very important. Okay. They can ask, yes, they are parallel, but what is the equation? What is the relation? You can get a question of 1 mark like this. We have already solved the question. A and B are two vectors which are collinear. So what is the relation? Rifat, can you tell me if A and B are collinear, then what's the relation? Fahad, can you tell me if A and B are collinear, what's the relation between these two? Please remember this. A is lambda times of B. Okay. When we were doing the collinearity of points, we have done this formula also. A is equal to lambda times of B. Always remember if two vectors are collinear, then A is equal to lambda times of B. Okay. Now, so parallel or anti-parallel both are collinear. AR is parallel to is parallel to AR is parallel to B. Okay. So this implies R minus A is equal to lambda times of B. So R is equal to A plus lambda B. Okay. So this is a vector form. So vector form will always be given in terms of R. This is a vector form. Okay. So R is equal to A plus lambda B. This is your equation, and this equation is in the vector form. This is the first time you are checking an equation like this. That's why you are facing difficulty right now. Now we will see how we convert this into a Cartesian form. Okay. If anyone have a doubt, please let me know. Otherwise, please note down this. Raise your hands. Then we will see the Cartesian form. So always remember what is A? A is a point through which the line is passing, and B is a vector which is parallel to the line. Okay. Okay, Abdul. Fahad and Rifa, please note down this and confirm me. Okay. Once it is done. Yes, observe only the result is required. Okay, not ask you the derivation. Uh, but why lambda? We know that if two vectors are parallel, then any vector will be lambda times of another. So, okay. And we are using this symbol because it is given in the standard book. So use this one. Okay. Otherwise, you will get confused. Okay, Rifat, please raise your hands once it is done. Okay, very good. Now we will check the Cartesian form. Okay. Second is Cartesian form. Okay. Now let R is equal to whatever the vectors we are using here, we will write here. Let R is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay. Point A is given. So we will write the point x1 I cap, y1 j cap, z1 k cap. Okay. The point is given. That's why we are writing x1, y1, z1. Similarly, this you have done last year. Okay. An equation of line in 2D. Now there is one vector is given. So we will write ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Okay. In different book, they can use different symbol for B, but I'm using this one only because it is given in the NCRT so that you will not get confused. What you have to do, just put all these values in here. R is equal to what? A plus lambda B. Okay. Put all the values here. What is R? R is xi cap, yj cap, zk cap is equal to what is A? x1 I cap, y1 j cap, z1 k cap plus lambda. And what is B? AI cap, bj cap, ck cap. Okay. Now shift this here, xi cap minus x1 I cap. Okay. So plus yj cap minus y1 j cap plus zk cap minus z1 k cap is equal to lambda times of ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Okay. Now here we can write x minus x1 I cap. Here we can write y minus y1 j cap plus z minus z1 k cap, and this is equal to lambda times of ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Okay. Now here we have I cap. Okay, open this bracket. So we have x minus x1 I cap plus y minus y1 j cap plus z minus z1 k cap. It is equal to open this bracket lambda ai cap plus lambda bj cap plus lambda ck cap. Okay. Now check this. It is I cap, this is I cap, so we can equate these two. X minus x1 is equal to lambda A. Similarly, y minus y1 is equal to lambda B. Similarly, z minus z1 is equal to lambda C. Okay, we have equate I cap, j cap component and k cap component. So from this we will get x minus x1 by A is equal to lambda, y minus y1 by B is equal to lambda, z minus z1 by C is equal to lambda. I have shift this A to the left side, B to the left side, C to the left side. Okay, now all these are equal to lambda. lambda is equal to this one, x minus x1 by a. Lambda is equal to this, y minus y1 by b. Lambda is equal to this one, z minus z1 by c. Okay, so what we can say that x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Okay, so we will get this result. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, so this is a Cartesian form. So you can see here we have used x, y, and z. Earlier we have a vector form, that's why we have used r there. Okay, so please note down this. Uh, what about lambda? There is no need to write it. Okay, because we just need x, y, and z. If you wish, you can write it, but there is no need for that. Okay, so whenever they will ask you about the Cartesian form, use this one. And we will use lambda first when we need to assume any point. Okay, that I will tell you later on. But if they are asking about the Cartesian form, so just write this one. Please note down this, raise your hands once it is done. Everyone, please raise your hands once it is done. Okay, Abdur, very good. Further and Rifat, please confirm. Okay, Rifat, good. Okay, Rifat, very good. Now please write this question. Question one. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line passing through the point, passing through the point 5, comma 2, comma minus 4, and which is parallel to the vector and which is parallel to the vector 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 8k cap. Okay, please try this. First share the vector form, then share the Cartesian form. If anyone have a doubt, please let me know. I will help in this. First, please share the vector form. Okay. So I will solve this question for you. Please try the next one. Okay. First, please tell me the vector form. What's the formula?
A vector plus lambda b vector.
Yes, R is equal to A plus lambda B. Okay. What is A for?
Position vector
Position vector what?
of the line passing
Position
5
vector of a
to.
point. Yes. Position vector of a
Yes,
point
yes.
through which the line is passing. Okay. What
Yes,
is
sir.
B? What is vector B?
B is a vector parallel to the required line.
Very, very good. So in this question, please check this. Uh, line is passing through this point. Line is passing through this point. So we can form a vector. Let A is equal to, we can form a vector here. So vector A will be what? 5 cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap. Okay. Vector A is equal to 5 cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap. This is vector A. Now, Abdur, can you tell me what is the vector B here? Very, very good, Rifat. It is correct. Very good. Rifat, now please start
The
the
position
Cartesian.
vector is parallel to the vector.
Yes. So in this question, what is vector B?
The position vector is parallel to the vector 3 cap.
That's correct. In this question, tell me which is vector B here?
Yes, the 3 cap plus 2j.
3 cap plus 2j cap minus 8k cap. Very good. Okay. So R is equal to A plus lambda B. Put the value here. So R is equal to A is 5 cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap plus lambda times of B. B is what? 3 cap plus 2j cap minus 8k cap. Okay. So this is R. R is this one. This is clear? Abdur, is it clear? Further?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we need to find the Cartesian form. So for the Cartesian form, you have two options. Either use this formula directly. You know what is x1, y1, z1, what is ABC. You can use this formula directly, or from this one. From this one, you can change this into Cartesian form as we have done in the derivation. So that's your choice. Please find out the Cartesian form and share your answer. And you have joined almost 40 minutes late. So we have already done this formula. Do you have any idea about this, Aman?
No, sir.
Yeah, Aman, then you will face the issue. Okay. So please check the recorded lectures. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Rifat, Very good. It is correct. Uh, Very good. Okay, z plus 4 by minus. Okay, Rifat? Z plus 4 by minus 8. Good. For this, you're telling me the vector form. Okay, we need to find the Cartesian form. So this is the vector form. This is the final answer for it. Okay, you don't need to solve this because here we have a lambda, here you don't have a lambda, so you can't add these two. This is not possible. This is your final answer. Okay, you can't add these two. This is the final answer. So this is the vector form. Now this is the Cartesian form, x minus x1. So either you can write this formula x minus x1 Cartesian form, Cartesian form. Okay. So x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. So x minus, what is x1? This point, minus 5. What is a? This b, 3 is equal to y minus y1. So y minus 2 by b. B is what? This one, 2. Z plus 4 by minus 8. Okay. So either you can use this formula directly or you can do the derivation. Shift this to the left side, put r, and then solve it. It's your choice. Okay. Is it clear, Abdur? Fad? Okay. So, Abdur, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So then start next question. Okay. It is also based on this type.
Also, can you show the previous slide?
Yes. Yes, this is the final answer. Okay. This is the final answer for Cartesian. This is the final answer for vector. So right here, vector form. Vector form. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, Abdur, shall we start next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now try this question two. Find the vector and Cartesian form and Cartesian form. Okay, no, do this question. Find the vector equation of a line. Find the vector equation of a line which which passes through which passes through point which passes through the point with position vector with position vector with position vector 2I cap minus j cap 4k cap and is in the direction of I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Also reduce it to Cartesian form. Okay, so here they are saying reduce it to Cartesian form. So please don't use the formula directly. I will help you in reducing it to Cartesian form. Okay, first find the vector form, share your answer, then I will help you. Abdur, please read the question. Find the vector equation of a line which is passing through a point with position vector this. Okay, so what is A here? You can unmute yourself, Abdur. What is A here?
The 2I cap minus j plus 4k.
Yes, that's correct. And what is B?
So I cap plus j cap minus 2k.
Yes, I plus j minus 2k. Okay, please find the vector form, share your answer, then I will help you in changing this to Cartesian form. Very good, Aman. It is correct. Very good. So you understood this? Good. All of you, please share your answer. Then you can understand this one, Aman. Okay. So we are doing the equation of line in space. Good for. I will wait for the answer of then Rifat, then I will help you in reducing it to Cartesian form. Okay. In the meantime, Aman, please check here. Equation of a line. We need to find the equation of a line which will pass through a point and parallel to a vector. Okay, so this is your line L. This is passing through this point. This point have the position vector A. Okay, and this line is parallel to vector B. Okay, so we have taken just an arbitrary point r here, which is vector r. Okay, in Cartesian form you have x, y, and z. In vector form you have r. Okay, so we will find ar. So I hope you already know ar is what? Position vector of r minus a. So r minus a. Okay, now ar is parallel to b. So always remember, if two vectors are collinear, collinear means parallel or anti-parallel both. So if two vectors are collinear, then we can say that ar is equal to lambda times of b. If two vectors are collinear, we can use this relation. Okay, ar is r minus a, lambda b. So r we will get a plus lambda b. Okay, so from here we are getting this formula. Is it clear, Aman?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, great, great. Okay, now this is the Cartesian form. X minus x1 by y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. How we get this? This I will show you in this question. Okay, so I hope everyone has done this. Everyone get the vector form. Good, Abdur. Let me show you how to reduce it. So vector form we have r is equal to a plus lambda b. So r here we will get a is 2 I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap plus lambda times of b. So b is I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, so r is a plus lambda b. We have to reduce this to Cartesian form. Okay, so first we have a formula, but here in the question they have written reduce it to Cartesian form. So use the complete method. Okay, and sometimes they will give you a vector form and they write in the question reduce it to Cartesian form. So always use a complete method. So what is r? Let r is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Just put this value here. What you will get xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Yes, yes, well, but that is very simple. Okay, and we need that in some questions also. So 2 I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap plus lambda I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, now shift this to the left side. So what you will get x, okay, this is xi cap, this is 2 I cap. So we can write directly x minus 2 I cap. Okay, I will write this complete. So xi cap minus 2 I cap. Okay, we have shift this here plus yj cap and here plus j cap. This will become positive plus z minus, sorry, zk cap minus 4k cap. Okay, I've shifted this point to here, not this point, because here we have a lambda, so we can't further solve this. Open this bracket, lambda I cap, lambda j cap minus 2 lambda k cap. Okay, now here write x minus 2 I cap plus y plus 1 j cap plus z minus 4 k cap. It is equal to lambda I cap, lambda j cap minus 2 lambda k cap. Okay. Now here we have I cap, here we have I cap. So equate these two. So you get x minus 2 is equal to lambda. Similarly, y plus 1 is equal to this one. It is also equal to lambda. And z minus 4 is equal to this one, minus 2 lambda. So here in the denominator, we can write 1. Here we can write 1. And shift this for this z. Shift this minus 2 here. So z minus 4 by minus 2 is equal to lambda. So all these are equal to lambda. So finally, we can say x minus 2 by 1 is equal to y plus 1 by 1 is equal to z minus 4 by minus 2. So please check here, the vector form we have converted into the Cartesian form. So what you have to do in place of r, always write xi cap, yj cap, zk cap, shift this point, then equate with lambda. Okay, so you must know this method because in some questions we need this step. Hope this is clear to everyone. Please raise your hands. Once it is done, then we will start the next type. Okay, all of you, please raise your hands once it is done. Cartesian product we have find by this method only. Okay, second you have a direct formula, Abdul, but if they are saying that reduce it to Cartesian form, then please show the complete method. Okay. Everyone, please raise your hands if it is done. Rifat, is it done? Okay, Aman, good. Abdur, Fad, Rifat. Okay, great. Abdur, is it done? Shall we start next? Okay, great, great. Now next one, next question. Next is type second. Okay. Second is equation of a line. Equation of a line. Equation of a line passing through, passing through, passing through two given points. Passing through two given, passing through two given points. Okay. Equation of a line passing through two given points. So we will do the derivation for this.
मम्मा भूख लग रही
Uh,
क्यों?
sit. Now suppose you have a line L. Okay. It is passing through two points, two given points. So point A, okay, and this have suppose a position vector A. This line is passing through 2 points. First, this have the position vector A. Second, it is passing through second point B. This have the position vector B. Okay, this is B. Point A and B. We need to find its equation. So what we will do, we will take a point R here, any arbitrary point. This has position vector R. Okay, this have the position vector R. Now, okay, so position vector of first point, position vector of first point, first point through which line is passing, through which line is passing. Okay, what is B? Position vector of second point, position vector of second point, second point through which line is passing, through which line is passing. Okay, now tell me what is AR? First, what is AR?
R minus है.
R minus A. Very good. Next is AB. Abdur, what is AB?
B minus.
B minus A. Very good. Now you can say that AR and AB are collinear. AR and AB are collinear. Are collinear. Okay. So what we can do? The same formula. So we can say AR is lambda times of AB. What is AR? AR is R minus A is equal to lambda times of AB. That means B minus A. So shift this A to this side, you will get R is equal to A plus lambda B minus A. So this is your vector form. This is your vector form. Okay. So if you have 2 points, if you have the position vector of 2 points through which the line is passing, you can use this formula r is equal to a plus lambda times of b minus a. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Please note down this, raise your hand, then we will start the Cartesian form. Okay, Abdul, great. Aman, further and Rifat, please confirm if it is done. Okay, Fat, good. Aman and Rifat. Okay, great, great. Now we will change this into Cartesian form. Okay, this was a vector form. Please write this. This is a vector form. Vector form. Next is Cartesian form. Next one is Cartesian form. Okay, so what's the Cartesian form? Again, let r is equal to xi cap, yj cap, zk cap. Okay, now we have a 2 point. So a is, we will take x1 plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. B we will take it as x2 I cap, y2 j cap, z2 k cap. Okay, put all these values. So r is what? R is a plus lambda b minus a. So put this value xi cap, yj cap, zk cap is equal to, what is a? X1 I cap plus y1 j cap, z1 k cap plus lambda b minus a. So b means x2 I cap, x2 I cap, y2 j cap, z2 k cap minus a means x1 I cap, y1 j cap, z1 k cap. So here shift this x1 here. So x1 I cap minus, sorry, this one plus yj cap minus y1 j cap plus zk cap minus z1 k cap. It is equal to lambda. Okay. Subtract this x2 minus x1. So you will get x2 minus x1 I cap, y2 minus y1 j cap, z2 minus z1 k cap. Okay. Now compare I cap with I cap. So x minus x1 I cap. Okay. Then y minus y1 j cap, z minus z1 k cap, and it is equal to lambda times of x2 minus x1 I cap, lambda times of y2 minus y1 j cap, lambda times of z2 minus z1 k cap. Now equate this I cap with I cap. So you will get x minus x1 is equal to lambda times of x2 minus x1. So from this you will get x minus x1 is equal to by x2 minus x1 is equal to lambda. Similarly, here you will get y minus y1 is equal to lambda times of y2 minus y1. So you will get here y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to lambda. And here you will get z minus z1 is equal to lambda times of z2 minus z1. So you will get z minus z1 by z2 minus z1 is equal to lambda. Okay, so all these are equal to lambda. So we can say that x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Okay, so this is your final equation. This is the Cartesian form. Note down this. If anyone have a doubt, please let me know. Okay. Please let me know once I can change the slide. Okay, good for Abdur Rahman and Rifat. Please confirm. Okay, Aman, good. Uh, okay, Rifat, good. Abdur, is it done? Oh, okay, okay, Abdur. Okay, Abdur, great. Please try this question. Find the vector equation. Find the vector equation for the line passing through the point the points, this one, -1, 0, 2, and 3, 4, 6. Okay, please try this question. Find the vector equation for the line passing through these 2 points. You already have the formulas. Please try this. Okay, for you get the answer. So R is I plus 2k plus lambda 444. Very good, Fat. It is correct. Abdur, Aman, and Rifat, please share your answer once it is done. So I will give you next question. It is you have to do in homework. Minus side 2k lambda. Very good, Rifat. That is correct. So next question is the points A. It is 4, 5, 10, and uh, B is 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is 4. And C is 1, comma 2, comma minus 1 are 3 are 3 vertices of a 3 vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. Find vector and Cartesian equation for the sides AB and BC, and find the coordinates of D. Okay, this question came in CBSE 2010. This is your homework. Okay, please note down this. Raise your hands once it is done. Then we will start the next question. Good, Aman, it is correct. Okay, good. Okay, Abdur, please share your answer for the first one. Okay, and all of you note down the second question. Raise your hands. Then we will start next. Uh, okay, Abdur, but okay, Fat, but there is no need to find out the Cartesian for the first one. Okay, there was only for the vector form. Okay, Abdur, let me check. But Abdur, why don't you find out the Cartesian form? In the question, it was written, you need to find the vector equation. Okay. Okay, so all of you, please note down the second one. Raise your hands. Then we will start next question. Okay, first, good. Okay, just use the same formula which you have done in class 10th. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, first. Vector form means a plus lambda. Yes, yes, Abdur. Vector form is a plus lambda b minus a, and Cartesian form is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, so I hope everyone has written this question. Okay, please try this question. This is a very good one, and I will give you a new question. Okay, question third. Just give me a minute. Find the vector, find the vector equation. Good, Abdur, it is correct. Find the vector equation of a line. Find the vector equation of a line passing through a point, passing through a point with position vector, with position vector 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap and parallel to the line joining, and parallel to the line joining the points, line joining the points minus I cap plus 4j cap plus k cap and I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Also find the Cartesian equation. Also find the Cartesian form. Also find the Cartesian form. Okay, so it is CBSE 2003. Okay, try this question right now. Please let me know if you have any doubt or confirm your answer if it is done. Uh, Observe, it is not complete, but yes, partially it is correct. Please complete this question. Okay, I will help. Please check here. We need to find the vector equation of a line which is passing through a point with position vector this one. So line is passing through this and parallel to the line joining these 2 points. Okay, so your line is parallel to the line joining these 2 points. What for? Okay, so A is equal to what? Line is passing through this point. So A is what? 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap. And they're saying that it is parallel to the line joining these 2 points. So join these 2 points. Okay, and find out the vector parallel vector B. I hope now you can solve this question. You have these 2 points. Okay, these 2 points you have, you need to find a vector B. So the position vector are given. You just need to subtract them. You will find a vector B here. Now please position, yes, that's correct. You have 2 points. First point this, second point this. Okay, these are the position vector of the points. So find out vector B and use this R is equal to A plus lambda B. A plus lambda B. Okay. Please let me know if anyone have a doubt. But I hope you can solve this question on your own. Is the line joining point 0 minus 2jk? Let me find out this. So let this point be A. Let the point A be. Yes, we will use A plus lambda B. So the point A B minus I cap. It is better if you will unmute yourself. Okay. 4j plus k cap and B is I cap plus 2j plus 2k. Okay. Now what is AB? AB is this one. I and I. So AB is I plus I cap. Okay. Plus 2j minus 4j plus 2k minus k cap. So AB you will get 2i minus 2j plus k cap. Okay. Required line is parallel to AB. Is parallel to AB. Okay. Okay, if I just give me a minute, let me complete this. So R is equal to A is what? 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap plus lambda 2i minus 2j plus k cap. Okay. Hope this is clear to everyone. Is there anyone who have a doubt in this question, or shall we start next? Anyone have a doubt here, or we can start next question? No? No doubt? Yes, Abdur? Any problem? Here we should find vector form again. In finding Abdur, what's your query? Will you please unmute yourself? Okay, also find the Cartesian form parallel to the. Okay. So for Cartesian form, use the same method. Okay, put R x I cap. For Cartesian form. Okay, so let R is equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Okay, this is R. So x I cap plus y j cap z k cap. It is equal to 2i minus j plus k. 2i minus j plus k. 2i minus 2j plus k. 2i minus 2j plus k cap. Okay, the same method. Shift this 2 to here. So x minus 2 you will get and divide this with 2. Okay, I've missed 2 steps. So you can do this on your own. Minus 2 z minus 1 by 1. So this is the Cartesian form. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Next, please try this question. The Cartesian form the Cartesian form of a line R this one 6x minus 2 is equal to 3y plus 1 is equal to 2z minus 2. Okay, find its direction, find its direction, ratios, and find vector equation of the line. Find vector equation of the line. Okay, so Cartesian form is given. Now you need to find the vector form. Okay, so do the reverse. Then I will tell you how to find the ratios. First, find the vector equation. This is the last question. Please complete it fast. Okay, then we will end our class. If anyone have a doubt, please let me know. I will explain this. Abdur, Aman, Fard, Rifat, any doubt here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please check here. First of all, we need to convert this in the standard form. Okay. This is a Cartesian form of a line. Who can tell me, Fard, what is a Cartesian form of a line? Type 1. First, what is a Cartesian form? Type 1. Abdur, what is the type 1 Cartesian form? Uh, This is the Cartesian form. What's the problem? X minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. This is the Cartesian form we have done here. This one. Okay. Please learn all the types. Okay. Now, if you will compare this equation with this, then what is the difference? Here the coefficient of x is unity. Here the coefficient of x is 6. Okay. So you need to take out the 6 common. Now, what's the equation you have? Equation is 6x minus 2 is equal to 3y plus 1. 3y plus 1 is equal to z minus 1 by 1. Z minus 1 by 1. Okay. Now here take out this 6 common. So you will get x minus 2 by 6. Okay. Why we are taking 6 common? Because we need the coefficient of x as unity. Here take 3 common. So you will get y plus 1 by 3. Okay. And here you already have z minus 1 by 1 by 1 by 1. Okay. Now you need to remove this 6 3. So always what you have to do, please remember this step. Here you have 6, here you have a 3, here you have a 1. Suppose if you have any other number also at this place, take out the LCM of all these numbers. So LCM of 6 and 3 will be 6. Okay. And divide the complete with that number, with the LCM. We need to remove this 6 3 from here. So let this be 1. Divide 1 by 6. Divide 1 by 6. So what you will get here? 6x minus 1 by 3 by 1, sorry, by 6, okay, is equal to 3 y plus 1 by 3 by 6 is equal to z minus 1 by 6. Who have a problem here? Please check here. Now 6 will get cancelled out. this will get cancelled out too. Here you have a 6. So x minus 1 by 3. Will you please unmute yourself and tell me what's the doubt? Y plus 1 by 3 by 2 is equal to z minus 1 by 6. Okay, so here we have a 2z minus 2. Okay, I missed this. 3y plus 1, 2z minus 2. Okay, fine. So here we have 2z minus 2. So we have taken 2 common. So here we have a 2. Okay, here we have a 2. So this 2 will get cancelled out. 3. So here we will get a 3. Now we get our equation in the standard form. Okay, so what is A here? From this standard form, we can say A is what? Change the sign. 1 by 3 I cap. Okay, because in the formula we have x minus x1. Next, minus 1 by 3 j cap. And here z minus 1 means plus k cap. This is A and this is B. B is what? I cap plus 2j plus 3k cap. Okay, so what the vector equation you will get, R is equal to A plus lambda B. So 1 by 3 I cap, 1 by 3 I cap minus 1 by 3 j cap, 1 by 3 j cap plus k cap plus lambda times of B. B is what? B is I1 to 3. I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, so this is your vector equation. Now the second question was find the direction ratios. So check this. This line is parallel to this vector. So we will write direction ratios of the line. Direction ratios of the line are proportional to proportional to this one. I cap component is 1, 2, 3. Okay, always remember if two lines are parallel, then their direction ratios are proportional. So here the vector B have the direction ratios 1 to 3. So we will write direction ratios of the line are proportional to 1 to 3. Okay, so if anyone have a doubt, let me know. Otherwise, please note down this. Then I will give you the homework. Then class is over. Okay. Homework is assignment 2. Okay, assignments are already there in the group. Question number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only these. Okay, assignment 2. These questions. 1 I have already given. Okay, Abdur, I will explain this. So, Abdur, you understood up to this point? So, who understood this question and noted down the homework? If they wish, they can leave. Okay. Okay, Abdur, I will. So, please check this question from the starting. This is your question. So, this is the Cartesian form. Okay. First we need to convert this in the standard form. So this is your standard form. If you will see the coefficient of x is 1 and here the coefficient of x is 6. Here the coefficient of y is 3. Here the coefficient of z is 2. Okay, we need 1 here. So we will take out common. We will take out 6 common here. We will take out 3 common here. We will take out 2 common here. So what you will get then? If you will take out 6, you will get x minus 2 by 6, 3, y plus 1 by 3, 2, z minus 1. Okay, why we have taken common? Because we need 1 here. Now, we need to remove these numbers 6, 3 and 2. Okay, so divide this complete equation with 6. How you will get the 6? Always take the LCM of these numbers 6, 3 and 2. Always take the LCM. So the LCM is 6. So divide this complete equation with 6. What you will get? 6 will get cancelled out. Here you will get this one. Here you will get this. Here you get this. Now this is in the standard form. So Abdur, do you understood till here? Okay, great. Okay, now we will convert this in the vector form. So what is A? A is this one. Change the sign. 1 by 3 I cap minus 1 by 3 j cap and k cap. So this is A. 1, 2, 3 are B. So we get this vector form. Now what is B? B is a vector which is parallel to your line. We need to find the direction ratios of the line. Always remember, if two lines are parallel, then their direction ratios are proportional. So vector B have the direction ratios 1 to 3. So we will say that the direction ratios of the line are proportional to 1 to 3. Okay. So everyone, is it completed? Abdur, Aman, Fahad, Rifat, is it done? Please raise your hands if it is done.